Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, take a moment and go subscribe to my channel right now. I know I'm not supposed to start a vlog like this with the face pack on, but आज मेरा week off था and I thought क्यों ना face pack लगाया जाए, बहुत टाइम से नहीं लगाया था. तो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं mango cheese cake. I'm just gonna go wash the face pack and then I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so I have got ready and now I'm waiting for my friend to come ताकि हम फटाफट चीज़ केक बनाएं. मैंने इससे पहले आज तक कभी चीज़ केक नहीं बनाया, so he's gonna guide me. And until he comes, I'm just gonna tell you about the face pack that I had applied earlier. It is the hyaluronic acid face pack from this brand called Body Cupid. And I know. Whenever we hear the word acid, some people just find it so strange. Even when I told my mom कि मैं ये apply करने वाली हूँ, she was like, "Are you seriously gonna apply this acid on your face?" See guys, our skin already has this hyaluronic acid. It's just that as we get older, तो हमारी skin it just start losing the acid. That's why people love using hyaluronic acid because it just gives their skin this plumper look instantly. It is great for hydrating your skin. This face pack also has mulberry and licorice extracts which will help to even your skin tone. This will help you refine pores and remove impurities. It also has vitamin B3 which will help to remove all the patchiness and dullness from your skin. And to be honest guys, I just love its fragrance. It is so good. I also have this body mist from the same brand. It's called Citrus Love and it comes in this packaging. And guys, इससे पहले आज तक मैंने कभी कोई body mist use नहीं करी. It is the first time that I'm using a body mist and it is actually good. I mean, you can just directly apply it to your skin without worrying about it harming your skin, so it's great. So this is how the bottle looks and it has a very peachy kind of fragrance and it's quite refreshing. So this is it about these two products. If you guys want to buy them, you can find the link in my description. And I'm just gonna go get all the things prepared now, so I'm gonna see you when my friend comes. तो आज I have my friend Vibhor with me और हम बनाने वाले हैं cheese cake. And ये पहले बना चुका है 2 बार, so I thought why not take his help and he can guide me in making cheesecake because मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता कैसे बनता है. And since we are all in our homes in the pandemic, let's just try and make some new things. We have all the things that we need here. So the ingredients that you need are fresh cream, cream cheese, some biscuits, vanilla extract, gelatin, powder sugar, mango puree, some butter and whipped cream. And you also need a pan and a bowl.
Okay guys, so first we'll take some biscuits and we'll blend them using hand blender or you can also use pestle mortar. We have to crush all the biscuits.
So just to make the base a bit more fine, अभी हम हाथ से crush कर रहे हैं biscuits को और हम butter लेंगे. 60 gram of butter you can take और इसको heat करके you can use it, right?
Yeah. Okay guys, so the biscuits are crushed and here they are.
So we'll put the butter now, melted butter. So these are the crushed biscuits with the butter in them.
Biscuits. And now we'll just grease the pan with butter.
And you can use any pan. This is the pan, a proper cake pan, and I ordered this from Amazon. You can use any pans. And he used a different pan, and I'll put some pictures of it.
And in this pan you will not need a butter paper because it has a removable bottom, so you can just slide the cake out. So as you can see, the pan is greased, so we'll just put this biscuit crunch in the pan. And you don't want to overdo it guys because there is a very thin layer of biscuit at the bottom of the cheesecake, so you don't want a thick layer because otherwise it will not taste good. We are just setting the biscuit crunch in the pan and we are using a spoon because it makes the work a lot easier.
You can show it to them.
Okay, so as it is done now, so we'll just put this in freezer for 30 minutes.
So we have placed the biscuit crunch in the pan in the freezer for 30 minutes. It will stay there, and until then we'll be making the batter.
So we'll take cream cheese and we'll just put it into the bowl.
You also need a blender for that, or you can use a whisker if you have one. So we have opened the cream cheese and now we'll put it in the bowl.
We have put the cream cheese in the bowl and now we have to whisk it. So as we don't have a whisker, we are using a hand blender, and side by side she'll make some gelatin.
How am I supposed to do that? मुझे बताइए. This is the gelatin and
You just have to pour the water into the bowl and add gelatin into it, and then just mix it with the spoon.
okay.
If you have a whisker, use whisker because it's a lot easier with the whisker. With hand blender, it's just messy.
So the gelatin is mixed and now we'll just keep it aside for 10 minutes.
Okay guys, so we have transferred the gelatin into another bowl and now we'll just heat it for 2 minutes till it's almost dissolved. After heating it, we'll just keep it aside for 10 minutes so it can cool off, and then we'll add it to the batter. Here we have some powdered sugar and it is 1 cup of powdered sugar, so we'll add it to the batter, to the cream cheese. Okay guys, so after putting the gelatin aside for 10 minutes, we are just adding it to the batter, and we'll also add some vanilla extract to the batter. 2-3 drops will do. So the more you will whisk it guys, the more it will change its color from white to cream. Okay guys, so we'll just add some fresh cream into it.
How much?
100 ml will do.
So the last step is putting the mango puree in the batter, and now we are just going to do that. So now the batter is ready and we are just gonna cover it and put it in the fridge for 3 or 4 hours. You can also put it for like the whole night, and it's gonna be better if you put it for a long time. So guys, we left this for the whole night and now we'll see if this is ready or not. So let's see. I think it looks pretty good. Nice. Before देखियो ठीक है ना? I think it is good.
As you can see, now as we have opened it, it will slide right out. We just have to do this.
Oh wow! It looks so good.
Now we'll decorate it.
Pouring the whipped cream on the cake और spread करेंगे इसको अच्छे से केक के ऊपर.
थोड़ी और डालो.
It'll make a thin layer above the cake. सोचा था कि हम कल ही केक निकाल के कल सारे इस पे ऊपर डेकोरेट कर देंगे, बट हमने इसको पूरी रात छोड़ दिया और नेक्स्ट डे हम आज डेकोरेट कर रहे हैं इसको. So we are decorating the cake.
Now we will just add mangoes to it to decorate it.
So you need the mango in thin slices, and this perfect job is done by Namesh. As you can see, the slices are pretty thin, and we'll just decorate these on the cake.
So finally the cake is ready. बहुत यमी लग रहा है देखने में तो, एंड आई एम जस्ट मुंह में पानी आ गया है, पागल हो रहा हूँ मैं इसको खाने के लिए. मेरे को दे दो प्लीज़.
मत खाइए, मैं खाऊंगी पहले. मैं नाइस.
Thanks.
अब मेरे को मिलेगा या नहीं, मैं खुद ही ले लेती. छोड़ो. बहुत टेस्टी है, बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. सो गाइस, हम केक कट कर चुके हैं और खा चुके हैं. बहुत टेस्टी था, बहुत इजी भी था. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हेल्पिंग मी मेक द केक.
What is helping me? I made the cake. She ate the cake.
नहीं, मैंने भी बनाया है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
मैंने बनाया गाइस. तो अब हम घर के सारे लोगों को खिला रहे हैं. अभी नमेश और रिचा भी ये कट कर रहे हैं और खा रहे हैं. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू ऑल ट्राई इट एट होम बिकॉज ये बहुत इजी था बनाना और इसमें हमने बेकिंग भी नहीं की. वी जस्ट पुट इट इन द फ्रीजर एंड इट वॉज रेडी. सो आई होप यू गाइस लाइक दिस व्लॉग. इफ यू डिडंट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर एंड ऑल्सो कमेंट. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जाके सब्सक्राइब करो. आई सी यू नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. बाय, टेक केयर. Twisting the bladder.
Platter बोला ना.
Bowl is the first step of her tap. This is a cup of sugar.
Wow. Nice. And we'll add the cup to the batter.
So now we're adding the gelatin.
3, 2.
So now we're adding the gelatin to the batter.
Battle okay. लड़ाई हो रही है यहाँ पे.
आप बोलो, आप ये नहीं बोल पाए तो क्या हो गया पागल.
क्या हो गया?
मुझे वर्ड्स ही पता यार ये सब कुछ.
लिख लेना कहीं.
So I would suggest कि आप लोग भी ये ट्राई करो. यार चुप हो जा.